Alright, so this is going to be my first time ever running my new to me tractor on our farm here. It's a 1964 International Farm Oil 460 diesel. It's going to be my attempt of, we're going to cut, this is our back hay pasture here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this and get it on the ground today. We'll be using my Car Up 204. Just got done rebuilding the starter on this tractor, got it installed the other day, so running a lot better now, fires right up, didn't struggle so much to get fired up here, so I'm going to go ahead and cut around this pasture. It's kind of odd shape, kind of comes out here and then goes out and then comes back and then kind of squares out in that back corner. But it'll be my first attempt at cutting hay on my own pasture. This whole field cut and on the ground yesterday. It's been about 80 degrees today, so now I'm going to go ahead and rake it once. I'm not going to rake it in rows, just going to go through and rake. So I got this New Holland. It's not driven by the PTO, it's actually got a shaft driven back here. So it's a rake that just runs off of just moving the wheels. So I've got it adjusted where I think is going to work. I've never done this before, so we'll give it a shot here, go for a run. So this is about 5 acres. I'm gonna get it all raked today. I'm gonna rake it again tomorrow, and I'm gonna start baling tomorrow night. We got rain coming next week.